Hello everyone! It is another day, another village party. Last vlog I did a village party. It was the white party, my friends were in it, and today there is another village party. Now, I don't partake in these types of parties, but I've been living here for 6 months, and this is a village very, very famous for bullfighting, which is something that I absolutely hate. I don't support, but today it is not. Just let me see you, don't be shy girl, go bonanza, shake your body like a belly dancer. Anyways, there will be a lot of food here, a lot of things happening. I don't know how much I can record because there's a lot of music playing, but give me a second here, okay? There's already some nonsense happening there with people dancing. Oh my god, there they go. Look at them go. Can you see it? Listen, I will not go there. Things are happening and the entire streets are blocked because bulls will be running free and people will be like grabbing them if I want to. May I have your attention, please? Anyways, okay, now that we ran away a little bit from the dancing shenanigans, there will be a lot of booths selling food and things in general, like literally. The smell of food is intoxicating, and we are going to grab something to eat, and I will show you guys what will happen. I will not show you guys the bulls because I hate that. I will not be there to see it because I'm completely against it, but I will see what else will be here. Maxim, do you want to say something?
No.
A man of little words. I literally recorded this exact way to go into the end of the street the last time I made this video. But this time I don't have Caio saying bullshit, but yeah. Anyways. Why do I keep saying anyways? Guys, oh, apparently we're stopping here, so yeah. Aqui dentro. Não, cá dentro. Cá dentro é tranquilo. Okay guys, there was a slight change of plans. Instead of eating outside, we came to a restaurant that we actually really like. So we are going to eat some fish. Because this town, this village is very famous for fish, fresh fish, very delicious. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to eat some fish and then we're going to walk around. Maybe we'll eat some more, you know, because there's a lot of food trucks and things with yummy food. But yeah, a little stop to eat. My father wants to drink white wine. I will not be doing that. Do you want to drink white wine? Okay, my husband wants to also drink white wine. But yeah, I'll be right back. I will eat now. Maybe I'll show you what I will eat also. We have mixed meats. I don't know how to say this in English, but we have an assortment of meats in front of us. And we have fried squid, which, if you know, you know. But this is like the origins of fish and chips. It is very yummy. I could show you. Look, nothing's more Portuguese than this. You are eating at a restaurant, super typical, and there's like the news. Just up there, the news. Just in case you want to check up on the news. Anyways, I will show you my plate. It looks horrible because I already started eating. But yeah, this is what we have going on. It's a little chaotic, so I will not bother you with that. And I will continue to eat. And we will eat a little bit more. We will order a little bit more. And I will be back to show you more things, more yummy things. Not the bulls, because I will be not watching that. Maybe more people dancing, because that sounded like fire. Anyways, I will eat. See you guys in a little bit. We just finished eating. It was delicious. And now we are walking next to the river. And I will show you guys because there is a cute little boat. Can you say cute little boat?
Cute little boat.
Cute little boats. Anyways, let's regroup. Actually, you know what? I will show you guys, but it doesn't. Wait, look at this light. May it be exactly. Okay, I'll show you guys the boats now. Was it as anticlimactic as you guys thought? Because it did look very anticlimactic. There's a Ferris wheel, I just noticed. Guys, there's a huge Ferris wheel there. And one thing that I can assure you guys is that I'm not going there. I'm not riding any Ferris wheels or anything of that sort because I am very afraid. But yeah, what I just showed you looked horrible, but from my view, from my eyesight, it looks pretty cute. Yeah, I don't know if you guys understood already, but I have no idea what's going to happen tonight. I have no idea. What to expect because I've never been to this party. Actually, I'm lying. I've been to this party, but I was much younger. Much younger. I was a teenager. So, I don't know. Huh? O que é uma charanga? Okay. So apparently something is happening and we have to go because I don't know. Apparently it's called charanga, whatever the fuck that means. So we're going to see the charanga. Hola! Hola! We're going back. River, cute. Always looks cute. Always great to see the river. She's very cunty, very sweet, very nice. Very bougie. Very, you know. But now we're going back to the mainland. To the main streets. And see what the hell is a charanga. So yeah, I'll show you guys what's a charanga because honestly, I have no freaking clue. And this fringe, like honestly, how am I filming a vlog with these bangs? Disgusting, horrible.
Faz parte da festa.
É o show. Look at how the Mormons having fun. Clock it. Get a girl, 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 Okay, guys, we're getting farturas, which is like a sweet little thing. Yeah, let's go. Farturas. 4. 4 para levar. What do you want to drink?
Can I buy something here?
Calções ou calças arregaçadas, aí vão eles de canastra a cabeça para mais uma tirada de sal. Para todos vós, arregaça lá ao anel.
I don't know.
Don't. Just put him normal.
I don't know.
No. I give up.